To transfer notebook ownership to another Google account in NotebookLM, it's important to first understand that NotebookLM does not currently have a direct ownership transfer button like traditional file sharing tools. Instead, notebooks are tied to the Google account that created them, so transferring ownership usually involves sharing access and migrating content. Start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with a Google account that currently owns the notebook. Select the notebook you want to transfer and review all its contents, including sources, notes, and generated outputs. If there is important research or material inside the notebook, make sure nothing is missed during the transfer process. Next, check the sharing options for the notebook. If collaboration or sharing features are available in your version, you can invite the new Google account as a collaborator. Add the email address of the new owner and grant them access so they can view and interact with the notebook content. After access is granted, instruct the new account to open the shared notebook from their Google login. Once they have access, they can duplicate or recreate the notebook under their own account by creating a new notebook and copying over important sources and notes. This step is necessary because NotebookLM does not currently support full ownership handoff. In the new account, click Create New Notebook and begin rebuilding the structure. Add the same sources, such as PDFs, Google Docs, or links that were used in the original notebook. Then reorganize the notes and generated insights so the new notebook mirrors the original workspace. Once everything has been successfully copied and verified, you can return to the original notebook and decide whether to keep it, archive your notes elsewhere, or delete it if it is no longer needed. If you're using a Google Workspace or school account, ownership and sharing permissions may also be controlled by an administrator. In that case, you may need to contact your Workspace admin to assist with data transfer or access changes. The key point is that NotebookLM does not currently support direct ownership transfer between accounts. Instead, you achieve the same result by sharing access, duplicating the notebook, and rebuilding it under the new Google account. And that's how you transfer notebook ownership in NotebookLM, by sharing access, copying sources and notes, and recreating the notebook under the new Google account to complete the migration.